Hello, Alisa. This was the second time practice read about the bird brains and use the stress and unstress. Do you have a headache? Eat some bird brains for dinner and your headache will go away. Do you want beautiful skin? Put a spoonful of grandparents into your soup. Your skin will be beautiful. Is your hair turning gray? Eat brown rice every day and you won't have a gray hair. Eat bird brains, peas and brown rice. Some people ask, how strange. But for many Chinese people, bird brains, peas and brown rice are not strange things to eat. They are good things to eat. They are good medicines too. Many Chinese believe that food can be medicine. They believe that eating bird brains, for example, stock headaches soup with grandparents, is good for the skin, and brown rice stops hair from turning gray. It was difficult.